So the SVSDF system for formula, this stands for symbol valency swap divide formula. Okay, so when you have elements like potassium oxide, which is 1 plus 2 minus, that becomes the formula K2O. Or if you have aluminium 3 plus O2 minus, so basically you do it like that, you cross and bring down, so that equals Al2O3, okay? Or you can have carbon 4 plus, sulfur 2 negative. I got the sulfur 2 negative from the periodic table. Oxygen is 2 negative. It's in the sulfurs in the same group, so it's also 2 negative. They can take on 2 more electrons to become 8 electrons in total in the outer shell, so they can become 2 negative, okay? A 2 negative ion when it joins with another atom. So that equals C2S4, which when you divide by 2 becomes CS2. Okay? So you got another examples are cobalt 2 plus with NO3 negative, okay? So you divide down, you get cobalt, keeps that, you don't bring the negative one down, you just bring the 1 down, O3 2, okay? And then you got other examples, magnesium 2 plus NO3 negative, okay? Which I showed you before from the data booklet. Was nitrate is -1, nitrate is -1 charge. So you got okay, and lastly beryllium OH, that's 2 plus minus, that becomes beryllium OH 2, and another example PB4 plus sulfur 2 minus becomes PB2S4, and then if you divide by 2 it becomes PBS2, okay? When you look at periodic table, I mentioned how these, you can work out that's 2 negative or that's 1 negative because this is 2 negative or that's 1 negative. So that's 2 negative, that's 2 negative. With metals, you'll be given the charges. You can't work it out from this. So that's 2 plus. You'll be told this is 2 plus, that's 2 plus, that could be 2 or 3 plus. You'll be given the charge in the metal, okay? And the data booklet also contains a lot of other charges and molecules, ethanoate ions, carbonate ions, dichromate ions, sulfate ions, okay, phosphate, ammonium. Study your data booklet. Study this and get to know it, okay? Study the pages of it. There's also periodic tables to here. You got periodic tables. Study these, okay? And get to know them, okay? Get familiar with what's on it. This gives flame colors to elements, okay? Potassium's lilac, sodium's yellow, strontium's red, lithium's red as well, copper's blue-green. Study these to get to know where they are in the periodic table, okay? So you know where to look for things, okay? And this gives the electron filling of all the atoms, okay? Get to know you, study your periodic table and learn to use it. Okay, balancing equations. Next topic.